Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, December 2nd. You can see temperatures out there this morning in the upper 20s to the low 30s, and we got clouds and rain and snow showers that's moving into the area. As the cold air filters in, any rain showers will turn over to snow showers. It's not impossible some of the heavier snow bursts and some of these snow showers could whiten up the grass, but that would be about the extent of this system. And then in about 18 to 24 hours, that system will be out of here, moving off to the east. You can see on radar that activity pivoting around that upper low across Wisconsin. That should move right across mid-Michigan here over the next 12 hours, bringing again snow showers to all locations, but not much. If we look at the 7 a.m. weather map, again, that low across Wisconsin moving off to the east, and by tomorrow that'll be well off to the northeast, mainly just a few light snow flurries or snow showers near the lake effect areas. And mainly for mid-Michigan, lots of clouds. Over the next 9 days, precipitation amounts are expected to be around 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch or less, and mainly that coming here over the next 12 hours. After that, it looks like lots of dry, warm conditions. We could be in the 40s to around 50 over the weekend next week. Mainly dry, lots of sunshine, highs each day well into the 40s, and again, maybe even a day or two above 50 degrees, as we are in quite a nice warm split flow pattern that keeps things mild to dry, but big changes are coming. If you look at the Southern Oscillation Index as we went through September and October, we built into a very strong El Nino. And then in November, we rose out of that El Nino state more than any time in recorded history. We've never seen a monthly decrease in the SOI nearly this big. So this is a significant change. Now, what that does allow is when you do have crashes, when you're at a much lower base state here over the last 40 days or 30 days, you can see we're at minus 4.8. Over the last 4, 5, 6 days, we've seen the SOI crash quite a bit with daily contributions in a minus 16, minus 20, minus 22. This morning's reading shows a minus 33 for the last 24 hours, so a very big crash. What a big crash against the Bay State normally means for the Great Lakes in the eastern part of the United States is troughing in about 8 to 10, 8 to 12, 8 to 14 days. So we're expecting that to happen right now. Beginning around the 12th, we expect a storm to develop, and then around the 14th, give or take a couple of days, a big storm looks like it's going to come towards the Great Lakes, and we can show you that on the GFS, as it depicts a storm developing on December 12th around the Texas-Oklahoma panhandle. Now, whether that develops in Arkansas or in Colorado, that's not really significant right now. What we do expect is, the way it looks now, is that storm would track off to the west of Michigan. We would get a lot of rain, maybe even thunderstorms with an Arctic air mass on the back side of that, and perhaps a significant winter storm or a blizzard could be expected on the northwestern section of that track of that storm, which right now is impossible to tell. But certainly as we get towards the 12th, look for a big storm someplace in the southwest to move to our west, bring lots of warm and rain, and then followed by a big change to cold and perhaps snowy weather leading right into the holidays. So it looks like winter's coming, so enjoy the next 10 days or so of this mild and fairly dry weather pattern that we're in. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day, and 73s to all.